Now see the another example of past adjustment. Partners A, B and C. Capital of the partners are on 1st April 2019, means opening. It is 60,000, 40,000 and 40,000 respectively. The accountant of the firm has not recorded or did the treatment of the following. Number 1, interest on capital at the rate of 5%. Second, interest on drawings at the rate of 5% per annum. It is also per annum. Third, A's salary rupees 2000. Fourth, B's commission rupees 1000. These 4 treatment is not done by the accountant while preparing profit and loss appropriation account, means while distributing the profit. This 4 treatment is not done by the accountant of the firm, and the profit is divided without considering these 4 items, 4 information which is given in the partnership deed. Now what we'll do, suppose the drawings of A is 2000, drawings of B is 3000, drawings of C is 1000. Okay, and interest on drawing is at the rate of 5%. So we'll first calculate the interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is equal to drawing is 2000, rate of interest is 5%, and date of drawing has not given, then the interest will be calculated for 6 months. So we'll calculate the interest on drawing. It is 50 rupees. B, drawing is this, rate of interest is 5%, 6 upon 100 for 6 months. It is 75. C's drawing is 1, rate of interest 5%, 6 by 100, it is 25. So interest on drawing of A, B and C is 50, 75 and 25. Interest on drawing of A, B, C, interest on drawing as we have calculated just now, interest on drawing as we have calculated, A is 50, B is 75 and C is 25. Okay. Now we will calculate the interest on capital. Interest on capital is the opening capital as given. So interest on capital, A, B and C, 60, 40 and 40. It is a rate of 5%, 5% and 5%. It is 3000, it's 2000 and it is 2000. Total interest is 7000. Interest on capital. These four items has omitted while distributing the profit by the accountant, and the profit has distributed. Now we have to adjust it. How to do the adjustments? Without change in the profit and loss account or without change in the profit and loss appropriation account, we will pass one single entry for adjusting these errors. So first of all, amount have already been credited, already been credited. Number one, amount have already been credited. And second one, amount should be credited. This is the second one. First one, amount have already been credited. Second one, amount should be credited. So amount should be credited. Number one, interest on capital should be credited, and it has partner A, B and C. A, B and C. So interest on capital 3000, 2000 and 2000 should be credited. Total, if I am talking about the total, it should be 7. Second is salary should be credited. So A's salary is 2000, salary of A, there is no salary to B and C. Number 3, B's commission the commission is 1000, so total 2 and 1. So this amount should be credited. 5, 3, 2 and in total it is 10. These three items is credited, should be credited, and one item, interest on drawing, is debited in partner's capital account. Interest on drawings, it is debited. So interest on drawing of A is 50, it is 75 and it is 25. So total is 150. Deducted. To find out the net amount credited. 4,950, 3,920, 2,925 and 1,975, and in total it is 9,850. So amount have already been credited, this amount have already been credited, rupees 9,850 is already been credited in partner's capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Here I assume that the profit sharing ratio is equal, 1:1:1. So 9,850 will be divided in the equal ratio . So 3,283 to 1, 3,283 to B, and 3,284 to C, and total is your 9,850. This amount have already been credited in the partner's capital account in the ratio of their profit sharing ratio. If the profit sharing ratio is equal, then in this ratio this amount has distributed. Now we do the comparison of this amount, and we'll do the comparison of this amount. We'll do the comparison of these two amounts. I'm going to write at the top. Here I'm not getting any space, so I'm going to write the amount of difference at the top. Means 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. Here 4,950 minus 3,283. It is 7, 6, 6, 1. 1,667. Second one is 3,283, 2925, 8, 5, 3, 358, 358. Third one is 1,975 and 3,284. This amount and this amount I am going to compare. 9, 0, 3, 1. Okay, so 1,309. Now this much amount we have already credited, and this should be. So should be is more, so this amount we will credit, more amount will be credited. This amount will be credited. Here this have already been credited, and this should be is less, and we have already credited more amount, so this will be debited. Here it should be 3,000, it already been credited 3,284, and it should be this much. So we have credited more amount, so this will be debited. So the entry will be, this is the difference of 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. Entry will be B's capital account debit C's capital account debit to A's capital account. So B's capital account 3,358, 1,309, total is 1,667. So this is the rectifying entry, this is adjusting entry. Now we have adjusted the errors, effect of the errors is adjusted between the partners in their respective capital. Who has got more, their capital will be debited, and who has got less, their capital will be credited by that amount. So B's capital account will be debited because B has got more amount, B and C, and A has got less amount earlier, so his capital account will be credited. The narration will be simple, being interest on capital, partner's salary, partner's commission, and interest on drawing is omitted before the distribution of profit. Now it is rectified. rectified or now it is adjusted. So these two illustration, I have given you two examples to understand what is past adjustment. Past adjustment is a very simple topic. Here we will see what the mistake the accountant has committed earlier and what should be the right entry. And we'll do the comparison, the mistake and your. If any partner has got less amount, then their capital account will be credited. In this way, we will adjust the amount in between the partners. The one partner's capital account will be debited, another partner's capital account will be credited. So this way, we will adjust the effect of the previous errors committed by our accountant, committed by the firm's accountant. Rather than to change or alter the profit and loss account or profit and loss appropriation account, it is advisable to pass an adjusting entry. Another way we will also do the adjustment. We'll adjust the errors of each and every errors committed by us. We'll do the adjustment entry of each and every error separately. This is the one option. Another option is what? We'll see the combined effect of all errors and then we'll do the final adjusting entry. One single entry like this, one single entry. Another way is what? We'll do the adjustment of this, we'll do the adjustment of this, we'll do the adjustment of this, we'll do the adjustment of this. So 4 to 5 adjusting entry will be passed. So it is advisable to pass one single entry to adjust or rectify the errors of the previous errors which is committed by the accountant earlier. Okay.